Hey everyone, want to use Google Fonts? In this video, I'll show you how to find, customize, and use Google Fonts step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Fonts website. You'll see a large collection of free fonts you can browse. Next, use the search bar or filters to find a font that matches your project. You can sort fonts by style, language, thickness, or popularity. Click on a font to preview it. You can test different sizes, weights, and sample text before choosing the one you like. If you want to use the font on a website, select the styles you need and copy the provided embed code or import link into your project. If you're using the font in design software, download the font family, install it on your computer, and restart your design application if necessary. After installing or embedding the font, apply it to your website, document, presentation, or graphic design project. Finally, review your work to make sure the font is readable and matches the overall look of your design. And that's how you use Google Fonts. With thousands of free fonts to choose from, you can easily improve the appearance of any website or creative project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.